SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. So is Supermicrocomputer stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only person that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years time period, I have seen what's printing and what is not printing for me. Genuinely speaking, with like 4 W's, 4 wins, this is so sick. Like, I'm not even trying to exaggerate. Not 4 wins, 4 trades, 4 longs, 2 wins and 2 losses still puts me in a great advantage of plus 6 point. Yes, plus 6R, because I got plus 4, that's 8, and minus 2, that's 6. The idea that I got here was on point, but it sort of gapped up, so my bias was overall like very juicy. I'm here to tell you that since the price is pumping, I'm just willing to double down and squeeze the juice the most that I can. This means what? Well, this means that this is my demand zone, and if it does sort of pull down, it shows me the shift, then of course I'm gonna buy. Like, what do you expect me to just wait? You know what I mean? So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules. I do have a bunch of SMCI receipts in the Discord. Now, if you want to stay tuned with SMCI and get my money making emails and insights simultaneously for free, click the first link in the description. It's free.